Hi, I'm Subramanyam. I'm going to deliver a lecture on Introduction to Management Accounting. Now, this video is done during the training program of Design and Development of E-Learning System at NITTR Kolkata from 12th to 23rd December 2016. And I thank sincerely Professor Rajiv Chatterjee, Program Coordinator and also Assistant Professor, CS Department, Dr. Urmilakar, Professor CDC, Dr. Samir Roy, HOD of CS, and Professor Swagata Kundu, Assistant Professor, BPPIMT, Kolkata. Now, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to explain the meaning of management accounting, list and explain functions of management accounting, write the objectives and advantages of management accounting. Now, let us see the meaning of management accounting. Generally, an accounting which helps management in its functions of planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling. Any accounting that helps in the process is called as management accounting. Now, the meaning of management accounting as defined by Robert and Anthony. Management accounting is concerned with accounting information that is useful to management. And what is accounting information? Now let us see this accounting information. Now if you see here the accounting information, so this is how we get accounting information like trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, etc. and this information is given by financial accounting people. So such information which is useful to management is called as management accounting as per Robert and Anthony. Now J. Bertie says management accounting is the term used to describe the accounting methods, systems and techniques which, coupled with special knowledge and ability, assist ultimately management in its task of maximizing profits or minimizing losses. Now let us understand these methods and techniques. So here you can see that ratio analysis, statistics, operation research, mathematics, marginal costing, comparative statement, common size statement, trend percentage, fund flow statement, cash flow statement, budgetary control, financial accounts, cost accounting, variance analysis. So these are the techniques that are used by the management accounting, and such techniques coupled with the knowledge and ability ultimately to assist the management is called as management accounting as per Bhatti. Now the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India says that such of its techniques and procedures by which accounting mainly seeks to aid the management collectively have come to be known as management accounting. So once again they stress on techniques and procedures. Now in conclusion, we can say that management accounting comprises of various methods, system, techniques and procedures which are put together to help ultimately the management of an organization to effectively and efficiently carry out its activities. So that's how we can conclude. So management accounting means the various methods, system, techniques, etc. to help the management. Now coming to the functions of management accounting, first one, modification of data. So data that is supplied by the financial accounting, like this is one data or information provided by management accounting, the financial accounting, that is balance sheet. So such information or data which is received by the financial accounting people, that will be modified so that it can be easily understandable by everyone. So that's the first function. Then second one, financial analysis and interpretation. So top management people may not understand the financial data in its raw form. So what this management accounting does is it takes the data, analyzes and presents the information in such a way that even non-technical people can easily understand that in a non-technical manner. So let us see that the same balance sheet, now it is put, one information is taken here, that is the liquidity of the firm. So what is liquidity? Liquidity means the firm is able to pay its current liabilities out of its current assets. So in this form, the ratio of current assets to current liabilities is 17,500 to 7,000. The standard is 2:1. So here if we compare current liability, it is 7,000. So the current assets is actually 17,500. So it is much more than 14,000. So definitely the firm has got liquidity, sufficient liquidity. So this is how even the common man can understand if the information is given in a non-technical way. So that is what this management accounting does. Then the third one, it analyzes, interprets, and decision-making needs are met. And the management accounting considers other engineering records, case studies, and they conduct special surveys also. Then they prepare the productivity reports. So like this, the management accounting collects, uses, interprets the qualitative information. Now, the fourth one is planning and forecasting. So it can be done to make short-term and long-term forecasts and plan and after analysis and interpretation of financial data. So how this cycle goes. So forecasting, then strategic planning according to the forecasting, then according to that budgeting, then once again forecasting. So this is how the annual planning cycle goes, and management accounting helps in that process. Then management accounting communicates effectively with the people who are inside the organization as well as outside. So it communicates with top, middle, and lower level people. So external communication as well as internal communication is taken care of by this management accounting. So then internally, if we take top management need concise information at long intervals, whereas middle and lower level management people need regular information. So that is taken care of by this management accounting. Then the sixth one is managerial control. So management accounting facilitates the managerial control by establishing standards to various departments and individuals, then records actual performance and calculate variations. Now let us see this process. So first it sets the standards, then records actual performance, then calculate variations, then ultimately report to the management. Then the next function is decision making. So provides accounting data and analytical information which help in decision making. So what is this analytical information? So let us assume that these are the data which are available. So that will be analyzed properly so that information can be given to the management. Then coordinating. So the management accounting coordinates with this process of setting standards and knowing the performance. So in the whole process, the management accounting actually coordinates all the activities. Now, those are the functions. Now we come to the objectives. Then while assisting the management, management accounting accomplishes the following objectives. One, planning and formulation. So planning and formulation of the policies is very important in any organization. So for that, the management accounting helps. So that is one of the objectives. So study the past results. Management accounting studies the past results, then forecast the future, which in turn help the management to formulate the policies. So this is the first one. Then help in interpretation process. So because the information are given in technical manner by the financial accounting, that will be interpreted in simple language so that everything can be understandable by everyone. Now, the management accounting helps in decision making. So it uses modern and scientific alternatives or methods, and ultimately such techniques will help the management to take right decision or wrong decision. So wrong decisions or right decisions will be mainly depending on the information provided by the management accounting. Then controlling with the help of tools like standard costing, budgetary control, etc. The actual performance is compared with the predetermined standards and deviations are found out so that controlling can be done properly. Then reporting. Another important objective of management accounting is to update management with latest reports about the position of different departments and the concern as a whole. So it prepares the comparative statements. So if you take 2009-10, so previous to present year or something like that, so comparison even in terms of years, in terms of departments, in terms of intercompany comparison. So all these will be done by the management accounting so that it will be helpful for the management. So it provides the reports. Then motivating. Management accounting sets the goals and targets. Now this, when coupled with delegation of powers to achieve the set goals, motivates naturally the employees. Now let us see. Now management and employees. Now management fixes the responsibility. It also gives the authority. And in turn, the employees are accountable to the management. Now, when the responsibility is assigned and authority is also given, then naturally the employees will be motivated. So this is done through management accounting people. Then it helps in organizing. So management accounting helps in organizing all the activities with coordination. As it focuses on budget centers, investment centers, cost centers, and profit centers, with a view to control costs and responsibilities. So now here coordination will happen among all these centers: cost, profit, investment, and budget centers. Now coordinating operations. So management accounting helps in overall control and coordination of business operations through the tools like budgets. Now this is what the budget is. So budget is nothing but the projected income and expenditure for the future period. So summarily we can see this entire topic. That is first one, meaning. So management accounting comprises of various methods, systems, techniques and procedures which are put together to help the management of an organization to effectively and efficiently carry out its activities. Then functions. So 8 functions: modifications of data, financial analysis and interpretation, use of qualitative information, planning and forecasting, communication, facilitates managerial control, decision making, coordinating. Then objectives: planning and policy formulation, help in interpretation process, help in decision making, controlling, reporting, motivating, helps in organization, and lastly this coordinating operations. Now I'm extremely thankful to you for watching this video, and please feel free to pass on your comments or compliments to sbsubramanian@gmail.com. that is sbsubramanian@gmail.com. So thank you very much once again.